rating my fidgets. Okay, first of all, this one. Let's talk about this one for a little bit. The color, beautiful. I love the color of it. But the worst thing about it is it's very it doesn't pop. I mean it does pop. It's just I have very bad language. I'm sorry. But it's like I don't know how to explain it. I just don't like this one because it's like too soft on the mold and like it doesn't pop as good. I mean, none of my other ones pop as good as this one because that one's new, very new. I got these like maybe like 1 month ago. I don't know, but well, no, I ordered off 1 month ago, but let's say I didn't get it until like a month. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I give this one a 6 out of 10. Should we do the fidget pod? I think. I'll pause the video real quick. Going back. Fidget pod. Okay. So, I got the honeycomb. I give this one a give this one like a 9 out of 10. This one's pretty awesome. This one. It's the brush one. I mean, it's not that good of a fidget. I give it like a 8 out of 10. It's very good. So it's a good fidget. Okay, let's put these back in my fidget pod. Oh wait, I want to say that this isn't all my fidget, okay? These aren't all my fidgets. Let's move on to the penguin, the new one. Okay. Love this color. Since I'm bi, I'm lesbian and straight, so I'll date girls and I'll date boys. I love this color. It's not because like you should get it because you're lesbian. I'm just saying that I love it because it kind of supports me in ways. So I get this like a 9 out of 10 because the pop is very good. So I'll put it over there in the pile. This flower will pop it. Okay. Y'all already know I love this flower puppet. It's yellow. My favorite color is yellow. And yeah, I don't really like flowers, but it would have been a nice touch. Go away! Go away! It's like Five Nights at Freddy's out here. I have to freaking go away before I flash you with my flashlight. I can't shoot a video if you don't go away. Okay. Not very good. Go away. Swear to God, I'm gonna kill this boy later. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Part 2.